What's going on, guys? It's Decelation. We got Rhonda.
What's up?
And Brian.
What's up, peeps?
And today, what are we working on, guys?
We're doing windshield wipers today.
Yes, the last thing that needs to be done to get this truck fully ready, and then I can do the registration and get it street legal. The last project. And some wiring. I got to do some miscellaneous wiring. But other than that, yes. So, and I'm going to do that while we have the dash out, because I have to take the dash out to do that wiring. But yes, I'm fucking stoked. But, yeah, we're just going to get started. Welcome back, guys. Rhonda.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
Brian.
What's up, peeps?
So, we're on week number 3 of working on these wiper blades, getting them figured out. And we had a major change of plans. So, what did we do, guys? Brian?
Well, we probably didn't put that other one in quite the way that they wanted it to be. So there was some binding,
Yeah.
the motor outing, and it all came apart.
Yeah.
I pulled out the rib nuts again.
So we kind of stanched it off to have, it was pretty much a riv nut and all thread. Oh, I'm gonna kick on some light. Yeah, so this is mounted off a riv nut and all thread. And even though we followed the 4 inches straight up, there's a rod at the end of the cable that runs through here. It got caught and it pushed this out, which got the wiper stuck. It was a mess. So we had it all together, and we can sit here and finagle with this, but Brian got a very interesting, cool idea from a car show we went to, and a lot of the older hot rods, they just have like a windshield wiper motor attached straight to each blade. So what I did was I bought these. So these are UTV wiper motors, and we're going to adapt these into this location. We got to do drill 2 extra holes for each one, but the center hole should align with what's already there, so we should be able to align it. And I already checked, it fits under the dashboard, so you're not going to see it anyways. And yeah, so we're gonna redo that, and these are electric motors. You don't have to deal with a greased cable anymore. A lot more simple setup, and hopefully we'll get it going. And I'll put a link to these motors in the description, so you're gonna watch us pull apart everything we just put in. But you know, for the case of simplicity, and if something breaks, should be a lot more simple to repair, because this is getting annoying. And I'm not gonna knock this kit, because this kit was pretty well put together and everything. It's just the space considerations that we have. Blue Angels are flying by. Sorry, they're doing an air show nearby. So, but yeah, so we're going to put this all together in a different setup. So yeah, fun. I know it's a long video, but sometimes you do what you gotta do. Sometimes your initial plan doesn't work out. It's part of building. So Brian,
What's up, peeps?
Rhonda.
How's it going?
So, are we calling this a success, kind of a success, or a complete failure?
As
All
much
of
of
the
it, as much of a success as it needs to be.
I like that answer. So, the wipers work, but here goes the problem with motors and syncing. They're not very synced up very well, but when you look at the purpose of the wiper blades on this truck, now really look at the truck. Look at it. Just look at it. I'm not driving this in the rain. The wiper blades are in case I get caught in the rain and I need somewhere to get somewhere to stop. So, we're gonna show you guys what it kind of looks like. It looks like us.
Yep.
So take a look. You don't want to dry wipe your wipers. Go ahead, hit it. A little off on the sink, but not bad. The longer it goes, the more it unsinks, but they don't hit each other. Go ahead, kill it. Well, try to kill it down. There you go, that works. Not horrible, not perfect. But, well, like we said before, this is in case of emergency, so I'm happy. Brian, you happy?
I am. We'll be slightly, we at least look safe now.
It'll look safe. Look safe in a pinch. But we got them lined up. Got them sitting on there. They work on a switch. Now all we got to do, I finished all the wiring under the dash, so we just got to put the dash in, which I'm gonna save that for the next video, because here's a little treat for the people that are waited to the end of the video and made it all the way to the end. Brian, what's the status of the truck now?
Registerable.
It's pretty much done. No projects ever done, Now there's still stuff that we can do, but we can register this, and I've already gone through what I've already figured out what I need to do to register this. What I'm gonna do is dedicated video on how to register this in Florida, which a lot of the Factory 5 kits getting mixed reviews on. Some people have problems with it, some people don't have problems. I'm gonna show you guys my process. I've already did the initial part of it, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate you guys watching these videos. Hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos as we come out. Have a good one, guys. Peace.
Take it easy, peeps.
See ya.